Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Shubrat Astro Tarot. I'm back after a very long time. I was busy in a family function. So let's see what messages Spirit Guys has for us. Spirit Guys, please give us messages, what we want to know, what we need to know. Let's see. Spirit Guide, please give us some messages. Okay, the first card which we have got is Six of Wands. It's a victory card, and maybe you have won something recently, you've got a promotion, and everybody is cheering you up. See, there's a green colored, mistletoe kind of thing on the wands, and everybody is praising you. सब आपकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, and you're riding a horse, you're victorious, you're happy with yourself. It's a very, very positive card. So next card, let's see what Spirit Guides has messages for us. Spirit Guides, please give us some messages. The next card we have got is the Hangman. Okay, so Hangman, the energy of this card is after you're victorious, uh, you're just hanging around and you want to chill and you want to relax, which is absolutely great. After a lot of hard work, you have got victory, and आपको अभी बस आराम से सोचना है कि what will be your next move. uh, it's a very beautiful card. You have a lot of enlightenment in you. आपके पास knowledge है, and you have sacrificed a lot for this victory, and now you are surrendering to universe. Okay, spirit guides, what are the next messages for us? Please let us know what are the messages for us, spirit guides. Okay, the next message for us is Seven of Swords. Okay, so you have done a lot of hard work, definitely, and it has involved that you have you have hidden some things from others, and you have done a lot of hard work without coming into the picture, and nobody knows that how much hard work you have put in. And okay, let's see, and let's get more clarification regarding this card. Okay, and spirit guys, please give us some more messages. Okay, the next card which we have got is Queen of Swords. You have you have been very nurturing, very caring towards everybody, and you're very logical and practical person, and the journey has been good. You are in a commanding position right now, so yes, of course, the energy is good right now, and you're enjoying the victory. Most importantly, the path towards the victory maybe have not been too fair, and you have been little shrewd, you have been a naughty person, and आपने कुछ यहाँ वहाँ हेर फेर किया है, but you have been victorious. Sometime to get victory you cannot be so straightforward. आप एकदम straightforward होके चल रहे हैं, and ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको हमेशा उसी by the path of righteousness you'll get victory. Maybe you did hide some things from your team members, and you did not let them know, and accordingly you got success. So it's a very positive card, it's a very positive time. So do enjoy your success, and you have got the success after quite a lot of hard work, keeping secrets, and obviously if you're a manager you can't let everything let your team members know everything. So yes, you have kept some secrets, however you have got the victory. So enjoy the victory right now. Also do take some time off, relax, rejuvenate yourself. आराम कीजिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए. Maybe you can go to a salon, or you can go to a spa. Enjoy yourself, relax yourself. Okay. And let's see what the moon oracle, what more messages universe has for us. Universe, please give us some messages. The next card which we have got is hold your vision. Okay, you have got success, you have been successful, everybody is cheering you up. However, and you're relaxing, you're taking time off. However, you just cannot leave everything and forget about everything. You do need to hold your vision, the drive and determination you have for yourself or for your goal. You need to keep that. Do not forget your goal, and do not get distracted. You're taking time off, but do not forget your goal. Okay, let's see some more messages from the Moonology Oracle. Okay, the next card which we have got, a win-win outcome is forecasted. See, it's a full moon, and justice symbol is there. So yes, justice has been done. Justice has been done, and it's a win-win outcome. So you did get success. It is totally resonating with the tarot. The oracle is absolutely resonating with the tarot. Justice has been done. You did hide some things, and maybe it was not as a manager or at a higher authority. You cannot be transparent all the time. So you did hide some facts, however you got victory, everybody's cheering you. And the oracle cards are saying the same thing. A win-win situation, a win-win outcome is forecast. So you have won the battle, and you are right now just relaxing and rejuvenating yourself. Okay, some more okay, spirit guides, one more last message. Please give us the last message. What we want to know, what we have to know. Give us some more message. Okay. A personal issue reaches resolution. How beautiful it is resonating with all the cards. A personal issue reaches resolution. So you have done a lot of hard work. You have been very focused, and you have been striving for success. You have been very logical and practical, and you have nurtured your team members, you have cared for them, and with a Arjun like focus on the goal. So you have done a lot of hard work. Definitely you deserve the position you are in right now. You definitely deserve the win, the victory which you have got. And it says a personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. So you have it's a Cancer sign, which is zodiac for being caring, loving, nurturing. You have nurtured your team members, though you did hide some facts from them. However, you have got success, and this personal hard work and focus have reached the resolution. So overall, it's a very beautiful card, very beautiful prediction. So if you did resonate with the reading, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, have a very good day. Have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.